Hey everyone, Toolpath now allows Fusion tool libraries to be imported so you can create custom cut configs to simplify your quoting. This new feature eliminates the need for the Fusion add-in. Let's learn how to export a tool library and bring it into Toolpath. Let's start in Fusion. Go to the tool library and export your tool library. We're going to use Core Tools, Aluminum. You can see I have 1 through 10 tools set up, and each tool has presets assigned to it. This is extremely important to have your presets assigned before you export. Let's right-click, Export Library, and we'll name it Aluminum Test Library. Now it's really important that we change to a .json file, and we'll save it to our downloads. Let's go back into Toolpath, and now we can just drag and drop, and we have Aluminum Test Library in here. You can see we have 0 cut configs, so let's create a cut config. We'll go to the Cut Config tab and click Create, New Cut Config. Let's pull in our Aluminum Test Library, and now you can see we have a bunch of available presets that we can assign to each role. Aluminum Face 1, we'll put in Face. Aluminum Bore Finish, we'll put in Bore Finish. Aluminum Finish we can use for floor finish, and we can also use for wall finish. And Aluminum Rough 1, Aluminum Slot, and so on. Now let's say we don't have any drilling assigned, so we can select a new tool library in addition to the tool library that we have selected. So we'll go to Hole Making Tools Inch, and now we have aluminum drilling, and we're going to put aluminum drilling in the drill section. One more important thing to note is we can prioritize each preset in a role. So we can add Alu Finish here, and it's going to prioritize anytime we have a facing operation, it'll use this aluminum face -1. And we can simply drag this up, and now we can use aluminum finish _1. Now let's name our cut config. We'll call this aluminum cut config. And now we'll save our cut config. Let's go back to cut configs. We're going to click on this kebab, and we're going to make this our default. Now let's go upload a part. If we go to the Summary tab, under Cut Config, we can see it's using Aluminum Cut Config. And that's how you successfully set up your tool libraries and cut configs inside of Toolpath.